How to fix CIBC app won't let me log in. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So the first step would be to simply check your internet connection. Ensure that you have strong Wi-Fi connection, or if you are using mobile data, you'll have to make sure that your mobile data is strong enough. You can also try switching between mobile data and Wi-Fi connection. Now once it is done, simply head back to your home screen and then open App Store. Once you are inside the App Store, in the search bar, search for CIBC mobile app. Now once you search for it, in the blue button, if it says update instead of open, simply tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. Now once it is updated, head back to your home screen and then open settings application in your mobile device. Once you open it up, scroll below and then tap on general. From here, simply tap on iPhone storage. Now inside iPhone storage, search for CIBC mobile app and then tap onto it. Once you are here, simply tap on Upload app. Uploading the application will help you to free up the storage used by CIBC app and will also help you to clear the cache. Now once you are done uploading the application, make sure to reinstall the application again. And after you're done, you'll then be able to fix your issue. And that is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.